I swear to God, for there is only one face that speaks to the one above. I will impose his way of thinking and his laws, and if you don't bow down, we'll break your jaws until you worship the one by the sword or the gun. We'll push you to the limits, maybe even sacrifice your son. Forget your culture, forget your roots. We have the answers, so the light, yes, we know the truth. Tonight I kill you, I swear to God, for there is only one face that speaks to the one above. I will impose his way of thinking and his laws. You don't bow down, we'll break your jaws.
I'm gonna die, cause I don't respect the rules. They're going to hang me to prove that I'm a fool. So I'm gonna pass away, someone has made a choice for me. I know it's simple but it's hard, but tonight I'm gonna die.
Guilty, you're guilty, the court sentenced you to death for murder. Death row is all that's left, your life is worthless, your soul is doomed. So in the name of justice represented in this room, we send you back to where you belong. Down below, we know you and the devil get along. For all, with clean conscience we kill you for all. Justice protects you from yourself.
Bienvenue ici au Stade 25 pour ces pré-qualifications. Pour tenter leur qualification au Creuset Super Park en vue de se qualifier pour le Grand Montana Chance Open.
Close your eyes if you can't see it, cause I'm on top of the mic, might as well hear it. But if they try to get me down off the block, then I'ma stand up. Tell them I'ma stand up, even though they're mad dogs. I made up my mind when I was a young boy, always running around, playing, making wrong choices. I was just trying to play strong, try to be a bad boy, make my way up while the others fall. But it didn't go the way I planned, and one day I ended up in an empty clothesstand. There was plenty of food on the table as a youngster, but I wanted to be a gangster. Now what the fuck a gangster? The girls like the bad boys and all, and in school find me mess around behind the bush, cause
if you could stop talking, one chatting, you maybe succeed something for once in your life.
Gangster like in USA, but I'm stuck in Geneva where all bad boys wear a tie.
Can't you see I'm free, nice and easy? Drop your drink and take a sip of amazing
A pure
night.
youngster, trying to be cool instead of being in school, likes to hang out thinking he rules, and I like to get on top. I like to get on top, I say. I like to get on top. I like to get on top, I say. I like to get on top.
They want to come to New York. Want to come to New York. Where the bad boys race. Bad boys race. Say they might come to New York to Ross, and then you get a shot in your chest. Shot in your chest. Come every murder the boy, come make 'em murder the boy. Murder the boy, come make 'em murder the boy. Murder the boy, come make 'em murder the boy. Murder the boy, come make 'em murder the boy. Step up front, I'm smoking a boy like I'm smoking blunts. We give you mad style and perform mad stunts. No matter what you do, boy, you know you can't front. God, we give you what you want, so watch your speech. I kill people, KRS him teach. Don't want to learn, we don't have time to preach. Straight up in the head, we gunshot range. Because we have one for each his own. When you see my day and believe I'm not alone. I don't need no crew, we growed up my zone. But I don't go nowhere if my gun stays home. So you know we're not alone, so what the hell? I stay charged like a new Doris Cell. I'm like a crown when I come to Rockwell. I bring more funk than a pussy that smell. Rude boy, can't you tell? So make we murder the boy, come make him murder the boy. Murder the boy, come make him murder the boy. Murder the boy, come make him murder the boy. Murder the boy, come make him murder the boy. So you want to come to New York? Where the bad boys race. Say they might come to New York to Ross, and then you get a shot in your chest. Hey, that president, sir. for residence. Boy, you better step to me with sense. No get tense, no cross the fence. Are you gonna burn like incense? Hey, ladies and gents, left in suspense. Anytime for me gun it immense. Hey, be a shot fence. Ask your brother.